Here we come to the elevators at Cougar Village 2 at University of Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 400AE MRL from 2013. And we got this right elevator car with the center opening doors that has a working key card. Floor indicator is dead. Just so you know, I have a friend who lives here, so that's the reason why I have access to these elevators. Go back down to 1. It's your basic elevator. Now, when we get on the elevator on the far left that has the single speed door, you have to swipe your card.
First floor.
I'm gonna send this up. I just noticed red for up, green for down. That is strange. I don't know if I captured that on camera. All right, let's get the other elevator card. This one has a single speed door. Now, the key card reader only works on the floor that you currently live on. It doesn't work on any other floors. So here it is. All right, swipe your card, please. What floor are y'all going?
7.
Oh, cool, going all the way up.
Sixth floor going up.
Wonder if it has a green for down on this one. All right, we're gonna go back down to 1 now.
Seventh floor going down.
Have a great day. Yep, it's got green for down. That is interesting. Anyways, this is just exactly similar to the other elevator that we just rode. Hey Josh, you don't mind swapping your card just to demonstrate the different floors that don't work except the ones that you live on? See, if you try to go this, see, guess what? It does not work. It only works on this floor that you currently live on.
First floor.
It's got a generic voice, which is interesting. Anyways, we'll watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.